Elevator.
Masyado at hindi mo makakahinga po.
Resting team lang.
Resting team lang ha, resting team lang po.
Tsaka yung senators. Resting team and senators.
Sige po.
Wala na.
Huwag na po
Ipagtatanggol ko hanggang sa huli ang aking sarili para patunayan na walang batayan ang mga paratang sa akin. Broken by accusations, nor will I yield to political pressure. If this is the price I must pay for the decisions I have made and the principles I have chosen to uphold, then I am prepared to face the consequences, however difficult they may be, especially for my family.
Ingat po, ingat.